My name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning how to create a project in Test Case Lab tool. So as you all know that Test Case Lab tool is a management tool that is basically used for manual QA engineers, and it allows you to follow most of the testing activities. Here you can create test cases, you can create test plans, and you can execute the test runs. So let's see how we can create a project. So Test Case Lab offers you two options. You can create a new project as well as you can use the demo project given. So see, we have logged in to our dashboard and see, we have two options here, create your project or start with a demo project. So let us see how we can create a new project. For that, click on this blue button, create your project. Okay, so it is asking you to give a name and provide a key. So name we can say test project, and the key is nothing but the prefix by which your project will be identified. So I have given my name as Rahul test project, so it has generated the key as R, H and L, the initials of each word. So let us click on create. Okay, so see, project Rahul test case project is created successfully. So in the project list as of now we have one project created. That is the name, this is the key, and this project is active. Now let us see what other options are available for a project. So first option we have the settings. Next one we have is the archive, means if you want to put it in archive folder, and third one is the delete project. Okay, so clicking on settings. Yeah, so these are all the options available for editing the project. So you can provide a logo out here, and if you want to change the name of the project, you can change the project, and accordingly the key will be changed, and you can click on update. So that will be updated for your project. On the left hand side, you can see different options available here. Like first one is edit project that we are on. Next one is the member list. So as of now we only have one member, that is me. I'm the project admin. If we go to test case types, so we have like the default settings as of now. If you want to add any test case types, you can add by clicking on add type. So they have performance type, security type, user interface, functional, any other type you want to add. So you can add here in the test case types. Coming to next one, we have the test case tags. As of now, we haven't created any tag. So for that, for creating tags, we have to go to the test case page respectively. That we will see later in tutorials. Coming to integrations, we don't have any integrations for this project with the third-party tools like the issue tracking tools. So these are all the tools this tool provides you: Redmine, Jira, Jira Cloud, Mantis, Trello. Okay, so we'll see this in the later tutorials. Then the last two options are export. We can export the test cases, and these are the formats: CSV format with all these fields available. And next one is the import. So you can import the test cases as well. That we will see when we will talk about how to create and add a test case. Okay, so this is pretty much about a project, creating a project, editing a project. I hope you all understand how to create a project and how to move forward. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and if you like the video, do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.